doing out there? What are you doing out there? I see lightning. Tornado warning just went off on my phone, and then a whole alarm went off in my building saying, take shelter, tornado. What's all these people doing out here?
Attention, tornado warning. Seek shelter immediately. Attention, tornado warning. Seek shelter immediately.
We'll be safe in here. The first time the alarm went off, I was in the shower and I just heard the beep beep. I thought, did my roomies come home and set off the smoke alarm again? Because they set off the smoke alarm last week. I was like, they weren't here when I got in the shower. Stop it. I don't even know if I'm supposed to go somewhere else or just stay here. It just says take shelter, so I guess. Otherwise it would say go to designated areas or something. So I'm assuming.
Tornado warning. Seek shelter immediately.
Well, I'm not going outside.
Tornado warning. Seek shelter immediately.
Hey, you! Didn't you hear? Look at all these people. Death wishes, all of them. It did sound really scary out there, like a few minutes ago. Now that I'm recording, it doesn't sound as scary. What's kind of funny is I went to the flea market today and just got a couple movies for a couple bucks. And one of the movies I got today was Twister. Should I put it on? Get in the tornado spirit? Yeah? They extended the warning. It was until 8. Now it says 8:30. Oh, just go away. This is Florida. What's going on? I mean, you know, they give you the whole hurricane prep. All the lectures, the PowerPoints, the videos. But what's this tornado stuff they're talking about? Roomies are home. I hear people screaming outside.
Attention, tornado warning. Seek shelter immediately. Attention, tornado warning. Seek shelter immediately.
Be right back. It's storming outside now. Okay. Keep getting lightning and thunder, and it's pouring.
Tornado warning. Seek shelter immediately.
We know. Now, why would I go outside? I mean, really. What would Big Al say? Idiots. All of them. We survived the tornado thingy. Not sure what that was. Really, it was just heaviest store in the world. Really, the scariest part was when the alarms went off for the first time. And then after the first time, it was whatever. Whatevs. We live in Florida, so we don't get huge tornadoes. So even when we do get tornado warnings, it's nothing. So now we are going down the street to Subway because I'm craving a cookie. I baked brownies last week, but I don't have stuff to make cookies now. And I've been here 2 weeks, haven't had a single cookie, and I'm a big cookie person. I need me a cookie once in a while. So, ma'am, I just want a cookie. Subway's right by my building. I love it. Chinese, not today. Domino's, not today. What's this? Eyeballs, not today. Up, here we are. Eat fresh. Yeah, right. I didn't just get one cookie. I got 3 cookies. Never been here at night. And apparently no one else has either because there's no one here. But I think this area looks cool. And it's right across the street from Subway. So this is where I'm gonna eat my cookies. I like these chairs because it's a chair and a slide. Oopsie. As you might have noticed from one of my previous videos. I like sliding down the chairs. Let's see. And you can actually, people move these around. They just move them wherever they please. That's why sometimes they're bunched together from people who actually have friends who come here to sit with them. I don't know how that works. I don't have any friends. But I like how this is lit up in different colors at nighttime. Very pretty. Let's see, we can sit here. The backrest isn't high enough. But I have my pick of the litter. I'm one lucky gal. 3 cookies. Well, I'm not going to eat every cookie in one sitting, guys. I'm going to make it last. What a dirty liar. Don't let her fool you. She ate all those cookies. Want me to put on a little show for you guys? I'll set you guys down in this chair right here. This is my first time coming out at night, but I think it works in my favor because not as many people stare at me. But the stage was mine. Let's see, which one should I have? I don't even know what kind I got. I just said those 3 because they look yummy. I think it's macadamia. And what's this? Oh, it changes colors out here. I must have looked like a girl who wanted cookies because as soon as I walked in there, he said, "Cookie?" before I even got to the register. I had that cookie crazed look in my eye. That had to be in it. It's the best cookie in the world. Where's Subway? No idea what it is, but it's good stuff.